Is the real risk of accessibility overlays the technology itself or the false sense of completion they create? It's really a combination of both. The technology creates significant usability, privacy, and brand reputation concerns. Many users see an overlay as a sign that you aren't doing accessibility correctly. They find the tools annoying or disruptive to their own assistive technology, and they'll often bounce from the site entirely. Overlays can look impressive in a sales deck. They can feel intuitive to people who don't rely on assistive technology. But think about the user's perspective. If you had to fiddle with a custom tool on every single website you visited just to read the text or set up a screen reader, the web would become a tedious, messy experience. That snappy subscription model creates a false sense of security that prevents organizations from doing the foundational work. In reality, there is no such thing as a one-and-done solution for accessibility. If someone is trying to sell you a quick fix that bypasses your core code, that's a red flag. Accessibility isn't a single project. It's an ongoing journey that needs to be baked into your everyday business workflows. Accessible Web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.